We were the first ones at Peach Cobbler Factory in Tampa on Fowler Avenue, where a lot is happening on Fowler Avenue. You got Mosey here, the Museum of Science and Industry. You have, USF. You got a lot going on.
Yeah.
So this place just opened, and they are much more than peach cobbler. They have all different kinds of cobblers here. Mike got blackberry, I got cherry. They also have cookies, and they have cobbler cookies, I think. Something about cobbler on a cookie or something.
Yeah.
Everything looked really, really good. But, since they're named the Cobbler Factory, we wanted to get proper cobbler. They also have cinnamon rolls. So, wow.
Yeah. So here we go. Here is the blackberry cobbler.
Goodness gracious.
Can you see it? Oop. There it is.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, blackberry cobbler. And
oh, ice cream. Vanilla ice cream?
vanilla ice cream, if you can see. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not falling out or anything. Yeah.
Nice.
All right.
Give it a try.
Yeah, let me get my little spork. There you go. See if I can get some ice cream in there. It's a little hard. There you go. Got ice cream. Vanilla bean. You can see the little flecks of vanilla bean in there.
Always a good sign.
And here's some blackberry cobbler.
Mike's favorite way to eat pie, a la mode.
A la mode, of course. Look at that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's got the blackberry seeds in there that I like.
I like that too.
That's really good.
Wonderful.
Do you want to try your...
Sure.
Which one did you get?
I got cherry. Oh.
All right.
Wow, that smells
Let's see if we can...
appropriately of cherry, but very, very cherry. It's very nice.
Cherry.
Yeah. How was the crust?
Oh, you got ice cream too.
Oh, wow.
Try it with a scoop of ice cream.
That's so great. Like your own little personal cobbler.
Yeah. This place has been very, very popular since it opened
Yeah.
here in the Tampa location. We were the first ones in, so there was nobody in, but they quickly filed in afterwards. I put up my mask, and luckily we were in and out of there very quickly.
Yeah, it's a very small place, and there's only one door in and out. There's not like an entrance and then a exit door.
Yeah.
But they got to us right away. Really friendly.
I highly suggest, if you do want to try it and you do want to come over, come when they open. Because it's only going to get busier through the day.
Yeah, it was already out the door.
Yeah. Very popular.
Yeah.
All right, I guess we'll enjoy this.
10 out of 10.
We'll move on. Look at that
You definitely got it.
Look at that whole blackberry right there. Oh boy. The crust is kind of broken up in there in the bowl, like that, and so you get some of the crust. Really nice, and then you scoop your ice cream in there. Yeah, look at that. It's a cherry cobbler.
Yep.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So we can get a good shot of that ice cream. Ooh. It felt hard when we first opened it, but it actually is very smooth, very flavorful ice cream. It's got the vanilla bean flecks in there. It goes perfectly with the cobbler. Absolutely perfectly.